Hi my YouTube friends, and welcome back to my channel. Of course, I'm Dee and you are viewing the How To Lady. We're going to dive right in because today we're going to show you how you can make a welcome sign. I know many of you have seen those welcome signs that are very popular now, and they could be very costly, but I'm going to show you how you can make it for a minuscule amount of the cost. So if you're interested in this DIY, stick around, and as always, we're gonna get this ball rolling and we're gonna knock it out of the park. All right, my YouTube friends, as indicated in the introduction, we're going to make one of those welcome signs out of wood. Now, I had this piece of wood in my possession for quite some time. I was using it on a shelf, and I got rid of the shelf and decided that I was gonna just save the wood that I had, and I'm not gonna let this thing go to waste. So I am going to use this board to make a welcome sign. Things you'll need will be this. I'm using this Valspar paint because I would like to change the tone of the wood. I could use the wood as is, but I want to stain it, and this is what I'm going to use. I'm also going to use these paint brushes. The larger paintbrush will be used to stain the wood, and the smaller paintbrush will be used to color in the wording. And I'm going to use this ribbon to create a handle for two of the other pieces of wood that I'm going to be using at another spot. But out of that one piece of wood, I am going to make 3 signs. I'll show you once we have stained the wood. It's so exciting. All right, my friends, so here's the finished product. Out of that one piece of wood that I showed you earlier, which was about an 8-foot piece of board, and I was able to cut 2 smaller pieces and stain them. And then I have the longer piece that I'm going to make the welcome sign out of. I think this project is going to be great. I'll let you see everything once I'm done. And these items can be used for the holidays. You can add a little bow, make it more festive. But let me just work on this one board here, and I will show you what I'm going to do with it. I have taken a piece of chalk and I've written the letters welcome on the board. So what I am going to do is paint it in with white paint, and it's going to lean up against my home. Now, to make it more festive, I may actually put a Christmas bow on it, but we'll see. Right now, I'm going to start painting. What you want to do, you want to draw it on there with the chalk first, and then you want to go in and start painting, because that is what helps you determine where you want your paint to go and how you want your letters to be shaped. So now this is my first coat, so we'll go back and do a second coat later after the first coat dries. Now, it doesn't have to be perfect. It just has to get you the look that you want. Every letter doesn't have to be symmetrical. All you have to do is just get it the way you want it to look. And I think it's turning out pretty darn good. So now I am going to let this dry, and I will come back with the second coat, because as you can see, the first coat looks a little transparent. So kind of give it that solid look. We'll come back with the second coat. A merry little Christmas. Let your heart be light. From now on, our troubles will be out of sight. So here we go. What do you think? I think it looks amazing. And I do believe that this ribbon at the top of the welcome sign, where we're going to place a command hook and we're going to attach it to the house, it will keep the sign from moving. So I think it turned out well. Let me know what you think. Okay, for the remaining wood that we had left over from cutting that 8-foot piece of wood, we made another welcome sign. We actually made 2 of these, but this is this one, and we finished it and we're excited about it. It's going to go to another spot, but yeah, all of this for $0. And if you just think outside of the box, you can get what you need without paying chunks of money for it. After completing your design, please remember to cover your design with a polyurethane. This preserves your design and gives it a beautiful sheen. Thank you for watching, and I look forward to seeing you in the next video.